Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday night I decided to dye my hair and we kind of have like this like plummy tint. I have a video on my channel dyeing it and that whole experience. Definitely haven't done anything like that before. It kind of inspired me to play with some makeup today. New hair, makeup, you know, you want to feel good. So I kind of want to do like a plummy eye, maybe just kind of play with those tones. I don't know what I'm going to do today, honestly. I feel like my last few videos have been just trying new makeup, but honestly I'm just so behind on a lot of products that I'm just excited to try, and I figured I would just share the experience with you guys because that's like the fun of trying new things, is sharing the experience. I don't know. If you guys want to follow along, then let's get into it. Just now I used the Kylie Skin Hyaluronic Acid Serum just to kind of put something on my face. It was feeling a little bit dry, and now I'm gonna go into the Peach and Lily Skin Shield Blurring Primer Perfect and Smooth. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on top. Oh dang, this leaves your skin real like shiny. Wow. Before I put anything else on, I think I need a little bit of something on my lips because it always looks so dry. This is just a ColourPop Lip Oil in Blossom Out. For my foundation, I'm going to use a Revlon Color Stay. This is the normal to dry skin version, and I have the shade Natural Finish. Nope, that is not the shade. 295 Dune. I am blind. Is this going to be the right color? I don't know, but we're going to use it anyways. I'm not going anywhere. It's been a while since I've tried this. I think I used it like a couple times. I know I made a video using it, and I feel like I really liked it. The color's not too bad. I feel like in real life it's just a tint too dark, but that's totally fine. It has a really nice finish. I used to use this foundation literally all the time when I first got into makeup, but I always used the oily skin one because I was really convinced just because I had acne that I had oily skin, and that really wasn't the case. I think I actually had normal to dry. I think it was like the overwashing of my skin that was just producing more oil. This foundation is proving to be way too dark on me and it's oxidizing. We're gonna just ignore that my foundation is way too dark. It also has that very nostalgic scent, kind of like fresh paint. Now I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury contour wand, and this is the light medium one, I believe. And I'm gonna just apply this everywhere. I'm gonna blend this out with a Fenty brush. Oh goodness. God, what is happening? If I just don't start off at a good base, I feel like everything else just doesn't work out great. I haven't used this concealer in such a long time. It's the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer in 1N. And I'm gonna apply this underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, just to clean up the nose contour. Actually really, of course I would drop my sponge on the ground. God, I'm gonna have to get another one. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Honest Beauty Rose Pink Cream Blush, and I'm going to apply it with a brush first and then use my sponge to blend it out. It's a really pretty shade, and I'm gonna use my sponge to blend it out. I'm gonna go ahead and lock everything in place with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder. It looks like a very nice day outside, very sunny, blue skies. I do, however, just want rain. I'm kind of over the blue skies. It doesn't feel like December, at least in LA. Absolutely not. It is getting like cold, and sometimes it's windy or whatever it might be. I think everything kind of fell in place nicely. I'm digging it. It's nice. Okay, let's move on. A while back I got these in PR. It's from House Labs, and it's kind of like their blush highlight and bronzer highlight palettes. And I unboxed these on my story, and I like mentioned how the shades are very interesting because I got 2 bronzers, I believe, and these are the shades. And I don't know if they have more shades. And then these are some of the blushes. There's one that's a little bit darker, but I didn't pull that one. Kind of reminds me of the ColourPop duos that they used to do that were square like this. I'm gonna take this one. It's the bronzer in Kindle, and I'm gonna take it on my Zoeva brush, a new one, nice and clean. Whoa. Oof, that actually looks so scary. I'm gonna tap this out. Oh my God, I'm scared. Kind of looks patchy, but is it my skin? I don't know if it's my skin or like the product, but that is like really patchy. Maybe it's my skin. Is it not set enough? Nope, it's set. I'm gonna dip into my Jouer bronzer and see if I can just fix this a little bit and see if it is my skin doing this or it's the product. It definitely looks better. I'm pretty sure it's my base though. I don't know, something feels like really patchy in this area. So I wouldn't knock the House Labs bronzer. So for blush, normally I'd go into this shade, but since I'm gonna do more purpley plummy tones, I'm gonna take this color. It's called Bouquet. And I'm going to apply this to my cheeks. Ooh, oh, she's pigmented. But cute color. I don't hate it. I actually like that a lot. I'm very curious to try these highlights in here because they look... What? Excuse me? Hello? Ooh, these highlights feel nice. I'm gonna be completely honest. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I just feel so out of it lately. I'm okay. Like, I'm happy. I'm the happiest I've been in a while, but I feel so, like, disconnected. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna take that highlight in the same little blush palette, and it's called Ribbon. I'm actually very excited about this. Ooh. Ooh, that looks real powdery on my brush. Ooh, shoot. Oh my god. Interesting. Let's see how it applies on the cheek. I feel like it'll look really pretty. Whoa. It's really nice, actually. Its swatch is kind of like powdery, but it's beautiful on the skin once you like tap out most of it. This is my bad side, but I feel like you can always see the highlighter with the lights better on this side. Little flyaways. That's a lot of highlight. Even when I'm like looking straight across, you can still see the highlight. Maybe that's a lot. I might tone it down with my sponge a little, but let's just, I guess, swim in it for a second. Wow. I like this a lot, actually. This is a really beautiful highlighter. Not disappointed in that. Let's move on to brows. This is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power, I was gonna say powder, Universal Taupe Brow Pencil. I have used this before. It's been quite a while, and this is the one that I used to use, Universal Taupe. It's a very nice shade. I used this when I was blonde, but I'm pretty sure it will work on my brunette brows as well. I do love a taupey brow pencil, and this is a really good product. Just as I suspected, a perfect color for me. Very, very good. I added a little beauty mark because I felt like it. When I was trying to figure out what palette I wanted to use for my eyes, I was kind of looking through things I haven't really used, and I came across this palette. It's by ColourPop. It's the Ménage à Moi, and I checked online. As of right now, it is still in stock. That's the thing. I'm trying to use things that you guys can still get. Like, there's the Stone Cold Fox and the Fade into Hue palette from ColourPop, but those are all sold out. I feel like once it comes back in stock, I will film a video. I don't know. It just, let me know if you guys care or not, if something is in stock or not, because I feel bad using something, and if you guys really like it, you go on their website and it's not there. So let me know, but this is what I'm gonna be using today because I feel like the tones in here is just what I'm looking for, kind of plummy colors, and yeah, it's a beautiful palette. Have not tried this. Let's get into it. I'm gonna dip into the shade Novel first, and I'm just gonna use like a fluffy blending brush for that. Oh wow, it's pigmented. I don't know what it is with my eyes lately, but when I put eyeshadow on, this like inner part right here, it always looks like, I don't know, like streaks. I think it's like my eye, because it literally happens with like every eyeshadow, and it's always that middle part. I think it's when I swipe and blend, my skin moves around and it causes it to like crease awkwardly because your girl doesn't have the tightest eyelids. Ew, like that's the weirdest thing I've ever said. I'm gonna take a little bit of Total Flirt just to kind of help blend all that together. Whoa, that's really powdery in the palette. I feel like that Total Flirt shade definitely helped blend this out a lot better. I'm gonna dip into Obsession, which is a really pretty like mauve purple shade, and this is where we're going full force with the purple. Ooh, I find myself really enjoying purple toned eyes. I don't know why, but I feel like every time I've really done something outside of browns, it's usually maroony, burgundy, plummy eyes. I guess I'm just drawn to those, which is interesting because I do not like the color purple and pink. Those are my least favorite colors. Now it's time to go into the darkest shade in this palette. That's called No Drama. Let me grab a smaller brush. I wouldn't say it's a smaller brush, but it's a different blending brush. I'm gonna start really slow because I don't want to get fallout. And I don't want this to be like super overwhelming where I can't blend it out easily. Wow, this is a really beautiful shade. Pretty. I like it. I went ahead and added No Drama to my lower lash line, blended everything out. I baked with some powder just to kind of clean up the shape a little. Gosh, it looks like so like weird in here, but that's like my eyes. I swear that's been happening with like every eyeshadow lately. Now I'm gonna go into this beautiful shimmery shade. It's called Thrillist. This is gonna go in my brow bone. Ooh, same shade on the inner corners of my eyes. I just sneezed and now I feel like I'm gonna have a runny nose all day. Great. This palette has 2 glitter shades. I don't feel like using a glitter today, but I'm into this color right here. It's called After Midnight. It's a beautiful mauve with some like sparkle in there. Look how beautiful that is. And I hope it looks just as pretty on the eyelid. So I'm gonna use my finger and just tap this on first and see what happens. Wow, it's like, oh, I love that. That's cute. I'm happy. Let's see what happens with a brush just so I can get a little bit more of a precise blend. I feel like all the sparkles went away. I feel like it's better with your finger and then like you apply it and then you just don't move it so the sparkles don't disperse and disappear. I guess that's the unfortunate part. It is a beautiful color though. I know I said I wasn't gonna use glitter, but I feel like I need a touch. I need a touch of sparkles. So I'm gonna take Confess and I'm going to just press gently in it, grab a small amount of that, and I'm going to just tap it on my lid just so I get extra flex like that. I'm not going to saturate it too much, just like that. So we have a little bit, oh, see, it's like stars in the night sky. So beautiful. Come on, tell me that's not beautiful. Wow. Okay, I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. I'm loving the eyes. These tones are beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to do a thin wing liner, some mascara, things like that. I will be right back. I'm back with the rest of my eyes done. I used the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Charmer in my waterline. I did my wing with the Cereal Liner from Nabla Cosmetics and the Major Pleasure mascara from Nabla as well. Very cute. Let's finish this look with lips. I'm really loving the eyes. That sparkle just did it for me. For the lips, I kind of want to stick to the theme and do something plummy. So I think I want to use the ColourPop Lumiere lip pencil. And I found this Wet n Wild matte lipstick, but I feel like this might be a little bit too purple. I don't know. If anything, I will just probably top this Luxe lip oil on top of the liner. Let's see how it goes. To wear this lip liner so much. I love the color. I think that works. I really like this lip color. I don't want to go any more purple than this because I really just don't love purple lipstick on me. This is a Wet n Wild lipstick for anybody who is curious. I think it's just a little too bright. So I'm going to take the Luxe lip oil that actually came out with the Menage a Moi collection. So I haven't tried this. It's called Smirk. And I'm obsessed with the lip oils, so let's see. They're generally like pretty sheer, so they don't have like a crazy pigmentation to it. A really pretty combo, it goes well with the eyes. I think that is it, you guys. This is the final look. I'm really, really happy. I love the eyes, the lips, everything just looks really, really pretty. It's just so mesmerizing and it looks really nice with my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like the look that I created. Find me on Instagram, Jesi Eats, for some food stuff, Jesi and Yarn for my crochet page, Mesijesi with 2 eyes for my personal, and of course Makeup by Jesi. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit that little bell so you are notified every time I post a new video and you guys don't miss out. With all of that said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!